3D printed guns have become the latest battleground in the gun control debate. Tonight, 22 News went to a Western Massachusetts man who's a 3D printing expert to find out how it works and how much of a threat these plastic pistols pose. Last month, a federal judge in Washington issued a temporary restraining order to stop the release of blueprints for 3D printable firearms, putting 3D firearms in the crosshairs of the gun debate. 22 News went to Western Massachusetts 3D printing expert Alfredo Orejuela, who said the process is anything but simple.
To make a functional 3D printed firearm, it's fairly complicated. It's going to require equipment that can run you a couple $1,000s. In terms of manufacturing time, it's going to run you a couple hours, perhaps days of manufacturing.
Opponents fear these plastic guns can slip through security undetected in airports, schools, or any place where guns could be stopped. Orejuela says most 3D firearms are more dangerous for the person actually shooting them.
The material itself would not actually withstand being fired. It would explode in your hand. And that's really I think the biggest threat in terms of public safety is actually people shooting these guns and injuring themselves.
He also said plans to make these 3D firearms have been available for years, and the recent spotlight is giving 3D printing a bad name.
It's demonizing an industry that has so many good applications. 3D printable prosthetics, 3D printable hydroponics. There's just so much that we use in our day-to-day just at the K-12, in the K-12 spectrum in education.
Alfredo's company, Steamporio, works with Springfield schools, teaching children more about this field of STEM.